Hey, how's it going? It's Tim. I'm a commercial photographer and video maker in the UK. And in this video, we're going to talk about using your mobile phone, or cell phone if you're in America, as a light source for light painting. And if you hang around to near the end, we're going to do some light painting with Peter Mckinnon, which is pretty exciting. So, first up, why do I use my mobile phone as a light painting source? Well, I mean, in your pocket, you've got a pretty bright screen that can be any colour you want it to. The most basic function, a lot of these phones have got torches on the back, so there's an extra light source right there. But I mean, if you use the screen, they're quite bright and they can be any colour. So you can have like just a plain white screen. You can draw patterns on the screen. And then we start getting something more interesting again with video. So first up, a plain white screen. So let's do a quick test just to show what a plain white screen on my phone looks like. Light painting this conical glass coffee filter thing. Cool, so simple white light, bit of light painting, turns out pretty cool. Now, in my previous video, we looked at photographing some trainers, and for that, I wanted the effect of like car lights dragging on a long exposure to go in the background. So I painted this on my phone, which is like a red and white set of lines on a black background. And then light painted those dragging lines in behind the trainers. Now, of course, it hasn't got to just be stripes. You could try polka dots. So you could try zigzags, you could try meshes. It's really about experimentation, making your own things, and that's the beauty of having a screen that you can just draw on with your finger. I got to thinking, okay, well, hang on, there's a still image on my phone. But what if I jump on YouTube and find just like a slow colour fade and use that to light paint? So I found this video. Now, I'll put a link to the video below. It's got like 12 million views. It's completely insane. Let's give that a test on the conical glass. How wicked does that look? I mean, it's pretty out there, lots of colours going on, but for the right project, it could be super cool. Now, if we're playing a YouTube video of these changing colours to light paint with, what stops us using any video? That's what got me thinking, okay, well, a lot of us like Peter Mckinnon's videos. What if I have Peter McKinnon playing on my phone and light paint a coffee product with Peter McKinnon? I mean, that's pretty meta. So I'm gonna find a Peter McKinnon video and do a quick test. Let's have a look. I'm surprised how well that turned out. It's pretty funky. Obviously it's less controlled again than everything else we've done so far, but it's pretty fun. And it means I get to put Peter McKinnon in my thumbnail for a bit of clickbait, which, I've mixed feelings about that, but hey, it probably got some of you here. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and maybe hit subscribe. Until next time, have a lovely week and I'll catch you later. See ya.